Difference between affect and effect. The difference between affect and effect lies in their part of speech. Affect is a verb, whereas effect is a noun. The verb affect means to have an influence on, impact, or change. As a noun, effect means the result of a change. It's easy to remember how to use the correct word using the mnemonic RAVEN. Remember, affect verb, effect noun. Affect is almost always used as a verb. Consider these examples. How does one's personality affect their relationships with others? The rain will affect the number of trick-or-treaters tonight. Effect is almost always used as a noun to identify an end result of an action. It usually follows the words an, any, into, on, or, take, and the. Affect does not. Here are two examples. What effect did the preseason have on the players? Did the new job have any effect on his schoolwork? However, there are a couple exceptions to the affect and effect rules. Affect can be used as a noun when referring to an emotional response. She took the news of needing to relocate for her job with a flat affect. Effect can be used as a verb when meaning to cause or bring about. The new owner is likely to affect changes in worker morale. Here are a few more examples. Getting a good night's rest before the SATs can positively affect a student's performance. What will be the effect of closing the store early on the weekends?